so this is how you make lemonade. You need to have a pouch of true lemon. You need to walk over here, under the pantry, walk in.
He forgot about turning on the lights.
You don't need to turn on the light because the refrigerator has light.
Now you have to get a water bottle from Mar.
Purified water. Close the refrigerator. Turn off the light that my phone turned on. It's smart. Lock the pantry. Walk over here. Open the water bottle. Take off this top. And just pour it in. And then after you pour it in, get all the stuff in. You need to shake it up crazy. And then you can run around.
Yeah, buddy. Whoop-de-doo.
And then you can open.